place for nature. We have lost our connection with nature, and it is an emergency that we reconnect again. We should be living in balance and harmony. The natural environment is devastated. Every ecosystem, we have destroyed all the balance, and that needs to be restored. We all need to work together towards healing, and the best way each individual can help with that process is by eating a 100% plant-based diet. I am vegan for the animals, and 75% of the agricultural land globally on this planet is used for either grazing animals or for animal feed. Now, if we were all plant-based, this land could be rewilded, flower meadows, trees, natural places to offer a safe haven for wildlife once more. It's not an impossible dream, but it's essential for the survival of every life on this planet. It's such an important issue that's not spoken about enough.